Okay, welcome to a new week. You will need the first graph here for the warm-up, so pause it, and then when you're ready to go to the next screen. Okay, number one, determine the median of the following. So when we find the median, the first thing we have to do is put these numbers in order from least to greatest. So 11, 15, 19, 24, 34. Now we squeeze towards the middle, smallest, largest, so the median is 19. Number two, which inequality is described by the graph shown below? Well, I know it's based off of +4, so B and C are automatically gone. And all these numbers, 3, 2, 1, 0, and all the negatives are all less than +4, so that's D. Number three says, what is the distance between -5 and -8 on the number line? You could have used the number line on the previous screen, but really all you're doing is here's -8, -7, -6, -5, is you're just seeing basically how many jumps it takes. 1, 2, 3 units apart. And number four, the least common multiple, or LCM. The LCM is when you list the multiples, and multiples are what you skip count by. So if you skip count by 3, it's 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Multiples of 4, 4, 8, 12, 16. Multiples of 6, 6, 12, and there you go. You're looking for the first number that they have in common, and that's D. This week, we're going to be working on the coordinate grid. So just like a quick review of how you move, the coordinate grid is basically two number lines put together, an x-axis, which is left to right, and a y-axis. And on the coordinate grid, you always start at 0, the origin. So when you move, you always are starting right here. So if you're moving +3, you're going 3 jumps, 1, 2, 3. That one's in red. I'll do the next one in a different color. If you're going -2 on the x-axis, again, you're starting at 0, you're going back 1, 2 units, you end up at -2. And if you're going +5, you go to the origin and you just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units, and you end at +5. The y-axis is the same way, except instead of going left and right, it's going up and down. So if you're going to -1 on the y-axis, you're starting at 0, you're counting 1 jump down to -1. If you're going to +2, you're starting at 0 and you're jumping 1, 2 units to +2. And if you're going to -4, you're starting at 0 and you're going down 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units, 4 units. Really important that when you're counting on the coordinate grid, that you are counting the jumps and that you always start at 0.